Now that we've made a routine, it's time to start adding activities to that routine. Remember, a routine is like a folder. You need to start adding activities to it before it really starts to work for your child. In order to start adding activities, just click the name of your routine here, and then click Add New Activity in the corner. Once you've done this, you can start to add activities to your child's routine. You can pick from some of your favorite activities. Goalie comes preloaded with a few favorite activities we've heard from other families, or you can use some of Goalie's other default activities, of which there's many to choose from. The last option lets you create your own activity, however you want it, however long you want it. Let's try that option now. There's a few different options in how you can customize each activity inside the routine. You can choose your activity's name. Let's make something fun for playtime like basketball. You can choose whether this activity occurs every single day the routine does. So let's say maybe we only want basketball on Monday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday here. Next, you get to pick whether you want a timer to show, showing your child how much time they have to play basketball. And then you can pick two different options on how long the activity should last. So you can pick a minimum time. Let's say we want at least 10 minutes of outdoor activity in basketball, and a maximum time of maybe 30 minutes because dinner happens right after. Next, you pick an amount of points that completing the activity rewards. Remember that this is different than completing the whole routine. It's up to you to decide whether you want activities to reward additional points or for the routine itself just to reward all the points. And lastly, you get to pick another icon for the activity. When this activity begins inside of the routine, this icon will show up for your child to see. I'm going to use another one of Goalie's default icons. I'm going to search ball. And this one looks perfect. It's a basketball court. Once you're all done, all you need to do is click save at the bottom. So I've gone ahead and added two new activities to our routine: Snacks and Wiggles and Free Play. Now, to determine the order in which these activities occur in the routine, all you need to do is hold and drag the three gray bars on the left-hand side. So in this case, I think we might want to start with a snack and then play outside and then play whatever. Like a routine, these activities can be edited whenever you need them to. So maybe if 30 minutes is too long to play basketball, we can go back and click this button on the right-hand side and change it to 20 minutes. Once you click save again, your routine is automatically updated. If you ever need to delete an activity, just click the trash can button on the right-hand side.